Day 2, Social Studies, RST, marking period 3. You're going to complete the Google form attached below where it says Day 2, Social Studies, RST, marking period 3. And the Google form will pop up like this on your screen. Number 1, for each document below, carefully read and look at the documents and information included. Number 2, use the documents, information provided, and your knowledge of world history to answer each question that follows. Number 3, then answer the final question, number 7, by using the information you learned from these documents and what you already know about the topics. First, type your first name in the box here. Next, type your last name in the box here. Then you will select your cycle number. Then you will see the documents that we have already read yesterday in class. If you would like to re-listen to the documents being read, at the very bottom of this document it says Audio of RST Day 1 being read aloud. You can click on that to re-listen to the documents. We're going to jump down to the last question, the final essay question. Directions. You will be writing a 2-paragraph essay on the questions below. Be sure to include evidence in each paragraph from at least 2 of the documents above, using your own words unless you are quoting directly from the source, which is the documents. Reviewing your responses to questions 1 through 6 should help you write your essay. Use the DBQ checklist to help you. So paragraph 1 will focus on China. Paragraph 2 will focus on Greece. The big question is, explain how the geographic features affected China and Greece, and how did trading routes help these civilizations prosper, which means to become wealthy. So if you go back to the document, the next bullet, it says RST Writer's Checklist. If you click on that hyperlink, it will bring you to a graphic organizer to help you develop your 2-paragraph response. So the first paragraph is on China. The big question is how geographic features of ancient China affected trade routes. You must use the documents 1 and 2 to help write this paragraph. Your first sentence should be a topic sentence, and which would be restating your question. So you'd write to begin, and then your topic sentence would be restating the question. Then you must find a piece of text evidence. So in document 1, it states, and you take it word for word in quotes. Then you must explain that piece of text evidence and how it supports your topic sentence. Here is a sentence starter. This proves that geographic features affected trade routes in ancient China because, so why did you choose that piece of text evidence to support your topic sentence? Then you are going to repeat that same direction. In document 2, which is the map, it shows blank. And then you're going to explain how that piece of text evidence supports your topic sentence. This shows that geographic features affected trade routes in China because, and then you have to have a closing sentence to wrap up that paragraph. Then for paragraph 2, you will focus on just Greece. This needs to be 6 to 8 sentences. The big question, how geographic features of ancient Greece affected trade routes. You must use text evidence from documents 3 and 4. So again, you're going to start with a topic sentence. So in addition, their topic sentence would be restating your question. Then you must use evidence from document 3. In document 3, it states in quotes, then you say this supports that geographic features affected trade routes in ancient Greece because, so you're explaining how that piece of text evidence supports your topic sentence. And you'll do the same thing for document 4. In document 4, it shows, and then here's your sentence starter. This shows that geographic features affected trade routes in ancient Greece because, and then a closing sentence. When you are done filling out this organizer, I would copy and paste what you have written here and paste it into the question on the Google form, which is right at the bottom. When you are done, you click Submit. Be sure to use that checklist to help you, to make sure that you have all the required elements that you need to have a solid 2-paragraph response. If you have any questions, be sure to ask one of the teachers.